Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel OMG Tech World. In this video I will tell you how to screen pin an Android app so that a person whom you allow an Android app cannot swipe through another app. First of all, if you want to screen pin an app, first of all you have to go to settings. In setting you have to go to security. In security you can easily find screen pinning, or as you can see, window pinning. In most Android devices it is by the name of screen pinning. As you can see in the video, you have to follow the following steps if you want to screen pin an app. First you have to turn on the pin windows, open an app you want to pin, press the recent key and tap the lower right corner of the windows to keep the app on the screen. Now I will show you how to screen pin an app. First of all, click on the review key. Screen pin an app which you want to pin an app. Click on OK. This app is screen pin. When a person clicks on back key, the app will not move and remain on its screen. If you unpin a screen, then you have to press back screen and review key. That was for the lower version of the Android device. If you have latest version, you have to go to setting. In setting you have to go to security, location and screen pinning. You have to turn on the screen pinning and follow the following steps as described earlier, as you can see in the video. In the example, you can screen pin an app like Google Chrome. Thank you.